guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a mascara review, and today I am testing out the Covergirl Clump Crusher Mascara. I've never tried this before. I actually bought this about 6 years ago, nearly 7 years ago, in Florida for my honeymoon. I never even opened it. I still have the packaging that it was in. I've just never used it. So I thought it's about time that I tried it today. I'm currently in the middle of filming a foundation review. I will link that down below for you guys if you are interested in watching that. But I've done the rest of my face makeup and I just need my mascara to be done. So let's have a look at how my lashes are looking without any mascara on. Okay, so this is how they are looking. I haven't curled them or anything. This is just how they're looking now. Okay, so let's curl my lashes using the Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And then I'm going straight in with the mascara. It's in the shade Black. It's supposed to deliver 20 times volume. 0 clumps, beautifully separated lashes. It has a curved wand, blah, 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 blah. The wand is actually really nice. It reminds me, the wand, of the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I hope you can see that. So that looks pretty good. So first of all, I'm going to curl my lashes. Let's go. I do like that so far. Let's do the other side. And this is how one coat is looking. I'm not going to do a second coat, but I'm going to wait till they dry, and I think I'm going to curl them again. I know you're not supposed to curl wet lashes, but they're okay, but I feel like some of the curl has dropped. So I'll wait till they dry and then I'll curl them again. Okay, so that's already looking better. Let me zoom you in. So as you can see, there are my lashes. They're nice and lengthened. They're nice and curled. They're not clumpy. I actually really like it. Looks really nice. So my overall thoughts are I actually really like it. I remember buying this and it was so affordable as well. It was about $5–6. Really affordable, and I actually really like it. Like I said, I did need to curl it again. It didn't really hold its curl the first time, but that's totally fine. I can curl it again, just a quick 10-second curl, and make sure they're completely dry though, otherwise you will pull your lashes out. Like, I left it a good 15 minutes to leave my lashes dry, but I actually really like the way that my lashes look. But this definitely gets a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!